Oh, we're talking bushes. Jungle. I'm fighting with water. Fish is on the hook. Fish is on the hook. Oh! Let's the fishing day begins. Hi, morning. Welcome to our channel. Today I'm bringing you with me to ayu fishing. So the first thing I have to load on the truck. Loading up time. This is what I need to take with me today. Ready to go. Navigation is set. Let's start. Hey, just arrived. So the first part in the ayu fishing is that you have to buy first fish 1000 yen for 3 fish. This is how Japanese money looks like. 1000 yen. And then I have to find the fish. Yeah, there is a fish, a lot of fish. This container is for holding the carrying fish to the spot. Has battery to make the air for the fish. Taking the fish. Fill up the water first. And now I have to find the fish. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Take the fish. Filter in and put it on. That's it. Nice. Done. Okay, just arrived to location. Part loading, water holder and boots. Okay, taking my jacket. I think I'll go with small one this time. I'm wearing this one. Water bottle. Fishing lines, hooks, sunscreen. Everything is prepared now. Hook to me fishing container. And then I'm pretty much ready. Taking the fish and going to the water. Today's goal is catch 10 fish. We're talking bushes. Jungle. Get to river. Oh, Ichi. Hiroi. Oh. Shisho is saying that the rock color in the water is really good. So you can tell by the color of the rocks it is a good fishing day or no, because ayu is gathering around the rocks and changing the color of them. That's how you can tell is there a fish. Okay, you just fill it up the fish, starting walking water. Almost felt. Woo! You can't rush. I'm fighting with water. Whew. That was dangerous, but I made it. What a walk. 10 minutes from there to here. So better I catch something. My fishing rod is prepared. Another fisherman is ready as well. Now I'm going to set up. Fresh. The line into the net first, touching the knot at the end of the fishing rod, locking it. Done. Okay, fishing rod is out. This is how you hold the rod, neck and arm. The end of the line is in this small box. And you get out the hook, goes to the tail of the fish. That goes to the front of the nose of the fish. And now we have to attach the hook to end of the small hook. So we have pre-made hooks. Shisho made it for me. Taking one. And now attaching to the end of the small hook, and distance between hooks has to be 3 fingers, 3.5. 1, 2, 3 fingers. This is the rest of it. A little bit more, and strap it. That's it. The system is like you just push it. You can see, and then just cut the end of the hook, and it's basically ready now to attach the fish. So it took me 12 minutes to set up the line. Now let's try to put fish on. Okay, I have my fish attached. Let's go for first tryout. Struggling. Already cut myself a little bit. Let's see what I can do with this. And there, on the trees, is the eagle watching fish. Really big, beautiful bird there. Oh, oh, catch, 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 catch. Fish is coming, fish is coming, fish is coming. Oh, catch, first catch. Oh, over! Nice! First fish today. Amado! Oh! Oh, so we get different fish today. No ayo. No ayo. Fish is on the hook. Fish is on the hook. Oh! Gotcha! Not that active fish today. But shots, I think we got really nice. Whoa. Okay, let's count. Oh, 8. Oh, 21. Woo. Personal record. Thank you everyone for joining. Sun is almost down and we're going home today. Bye Riva! Woohoo! After good fishing, good barbecue. Looks so delicious. Oishi. Harsh. Hot. Really hot just from the grill. Oof.